Hello, 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 hello. This is Latanya, Miss Coach Deloach, the queen of credit and cash flow at this point, right? I'm on my way to the gym because I did not go yesterday. It was raining yesterday. So I'm on my way to the gym to work out. So I just want to go ahead and share this very, very quick video, right? If you on my timeline, you know about the $27.95 that ends tonight, Eastern Standard Time, midnight. It ends, that's 75% off, right? And so a married woman who also has a side business, right? Also has a side business, and this is a side note about a side business, right? If you have a side business and you're not a LLC, which is a limited liability company, or a corporation, you have no liability protection against your personal assets. Meaning that if someone wants to sue you for your services rendered, whether you're serving food outside your home, you're doing hair and somebody break out with a rash, you're cutting, you're doing lawn services, and a rock breaks someone's glass, they have the right to come after your personal assets. So real quick side note, you need to make sure you cooperate this year. Okay, so now let's look at why I brought you all on camera. So this young lady, let me cut this flash off, was claiming six, right? 6 on her allowances. She's married with 3 kids, right? She's married with three kids, and she claims had a household. I'm telling you, it's this knowledge that get people more money out of their paycheck. And I think because it's like $27, people just, I don't know, they don't believe it. Hello, Sheila. Beautiful. How are you? I'll be so glad when I be able to take a trip to Louisiana to see you all again. Okay, so this is her case study. She was only claiming 6 out of her paycheck. So the government, on your W-4, they give you 2. Just for walking and breathing. They give you 2. It tells you to enter 1 for yourself, right? And then you enter 1. I want to do a conference there too, Sheila. So can you, help me plan that, get some people together while I'm there? They'll be interested in improving their credit and cash flow through these strategies. And then it says enter 1 if you do married filing jointly, or 1 for head of household, or enter 1 if you are single, married filing separately, have only 1 job, blah, blah, blah. So you get 2 just from that. Okay, thank you so much. So this young lady files head of household, right? Now, she has 3 kids, which is why she shouldn't have been claiming 6 in the first place. She has 3 kids. And so if you look at line E, at the child tax credit, her total income, her gross income, is under $71,201. All of her kids qualify for child tax credit. So in that line in E, she should have had 12 alone. You see that? Because that's times her 3 kids. So when she add lines A through G, she should have 14 allowances alone just from this page 1. She was only claiming 6. So now that she's joined up for the business, see, this is what people don't understand. When you join up for the business, you become not only now just an employee, but you also become an entity. So now, okay, she claims head of household. So she would enter $18,350 under the deductions part. This is what a lot of people miss out on. You don't get deductions because you're not a business. This is a business in a box. So even on page 1 where the allowances come in, you say, hey, I only have 2 or 3 allowances. This is where you can pick up extra deductions, right? And have business tax write-offs. So head of household is $18,350. Right, you'll subtract lines 2 from 1. And if it's 0 or less, enter 0. So that's 0. Now, this is the line for people that join the business for $27.50. For her, I only wanted her to have one more out of this, so I entered 4,150. And now her total allowances legally is 15, where she was claiming 6. And so now, not only will she get more back from her tax returns, right? She's probably won't get any federal taxes out of her paycheck legally. And she will have additional business tax deduction because she already does pastry and things like that, right? And so she will have those business tax deductions. And she have the record keeping. You download an app with the business, and to your phone with the record keeping. Let me go ahead and show you the website. Okay, you go to moneymindsetmoves.com. Right. This is moneymindsetmoves.com. This is what I'm going to log in. This is my LD Lifestyle Design Financial Coaching. This is everything you get for $27.95. Everything I just taught you about her W-4 is what she's doing. Correct your W-4, right? And then someone just sent me a text message. You download this app, and it teaches you how all your 475 tax deductions to claim, your mileage, in her case, her home expenses, her utilities, her internet, whatever money she spends on. Yes, Sheila, they're very different. I'm going to, let me tell you. She just logged on, so she'll get this. Let me flip this. They are very different. My friend showed me last night, like, if you're a head of household, and I wish I can, let me see, can I Google this up? I wasn't planning on being this long. If you're a head of household and your standardized deductions, we're actually doing a Facebook Live at about noon, if I can get to the gym and get there. But look, let's look at them. This is why this is going to help them. Let me flip. Standardized deductions. How much? Oh, let me get this flash off if I can. All right. So let me see if this has this breakdown the way she explained it to me. And she's an expert in this. All right, so here we go. Sheila, that's a great question. In 2017 tax year, if you were single, right, you were filing single, it was $6,350. Now, it's not more, right? But hold on, let me look at this other chart. I don't know. We're doing a Facebook Live. I wish I would have known what website she was on that really showed the breakdown. But we are going to do a Facebook Live on this to really break it down. But I can tell you this. Most people are going to get about $3,000 less, right? Okay, here we go. Here we go. If you were single, and let's say you make $9,552, your tax rate, you're going to be taxed 10%. But look at these numbers. If you make between $9,526 and $38,700, you are going to be taxed $952 off of the top, plus 12% of the amount over $9,525. And this is for 2018 this year, right? Hello, Ms. Wilson. Look at the next tax bracket. If you make between $38,000 and $82,000 if you're single, off the top, you're going to be taxed $4,453 plus 22% of the amount over $38,700. So a lot of people are going to be getting at least $3,000 less in tax returns this year, where they're used to getting $8,000, $9,000, $10,000. They may get $6,000, $7,000. If you're married filing joint, look at this. if you make under 19,000, you're just going to be taxed 10%. But if you make between 19,000 and 77,000, you're going to be taxed off top $1,905 plus 12%. It's not like it is. If you're married, filing joint, and you make between 77,000 and 165, look at that, 8,907 from the top, plus 22%. So let's look at people that file. A lot of people file head of household, whether they're married or not, right? If you file head of household and you're at $13,051,800, from the top, you're going to be taxed $1,360 plus 12% of the amount over $13,600. This is this year. That's why you need this home-based business for $27.95 to get some more tax deduction. And this it shows you, right?
Enter new income from your business.
And
from your phone screen.
This is from your phone screen.
Manager app and open it. Click the Cash Flow Manager button.
These are all deductions you can
Click
get
on
now.
The John sample button that was created in the last
that you will miss out on.
From the dashboard, we're going to enter new income. Click the New Income button. Click the Select Income Type drop-down menu.
And so this is everything we have.
Select Create Custom Income Type.
Let me click out. This is everything we have, right? To help you shift your income. $27.95. Ends at midnight Eastern Standard Time. You're welcome, Sheila. It also has a debt elimination plan. This is your tax record keeping. Once you get that extra money out of your paycheck, this is what we plug you into to eliminate bad debts. A lot of people want to be debt free, but they don't have the money to do it. They don't have the positive cash flow. And this is how we help people find that flow. And then, yes, it does come with a monthly subscription of $34.95. But I tell people, tell people all the time, that's less than $1.17 a day. Are you going to cancel a $34.95 monthly subscription so you can't get back thousands or even hundreds of dollars? It's not worth it. So, hey, I'm signing out. I got to go to the gym. I'm so excited. I'm ready to go. I didn't go yesterday. Enroll today. Ends at midnight, $27.95 off the, it's 75% off holiday special that ends midnight Eastern Standard Time. So you'll only see $27.95. And I will put the link in that description. You'll work with me. And you'll work with me on your credit and your cash flow. Hey, I call it the best of both worlds. It's called, I have a book right in front of me. It's called Tax-Free Wealth, people. So let's get your credit and cash flow on point for 2019. I'm signing off, Queen of Credit and Cash Flow.